Hi guys, welcome to Devnic. My name is Nijisha and I will be the instructor for this course. In this video, I'll be covering some basic concepts about Python, such as what is Python, why it's called Python, why do you want to learn Python, and its applications and major frameworks, as well as how much does a Python developer earn. Python is a good language for beginners. You don't need to have any previous knowledge in programming to learn Python. Why it's called Python? The creator of Python is a big fan of English comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's why he chose the name Python. Then the name is widely accepted. Why do you want to learn Python? Simple and easy to learn. Syntax of the Python is simple and easy to understand. Compared to other languages like Java, C, C++, Python code is relatively easy to read. Versatility. Even though Python is simple, it has all the power needed to do advanced works. That is, it gives a choice to switch between different fields with a great flexibility. Value and demand. Because of its robust, user-friendly, simple, scalable behavior, the Python is the one of the most preferred language for startups. Open source. It means that anyone can download and use it for free. Libraries. Python is rich with its resources. That is, you don't need to write much code because it has a great standard library. Major Python frameworks. Python gives a wide scope of frameworks to developers. The major Python frameworks are Django, Pyramid, CubeGears, Web2Py, Micro Frameworks, Flask, Bottle, etc. Applications of Python. Python is the one of the most widely accepted language. It is used in web and internet development, science and numeric research, desktop GUIs, and in business applications. Most of the trending technologies like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence are using Python. Famous website which uses Python includes Instagram, Google, Dropbox, Netflix, and so on. How much does a Python developer earn? According to survey conducted by Stack Overflow in 2019, a Python developer gets $63,000 per annum on an average. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the contents of the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can write your comments and suggestions in the comment box below.